Hello, and welcome to A Quantum Space Made for You. I am Nina Amber Rose Howell, the owner and creator of QuantumNina.com. The mission of Quantum Nina is pretty simple. It's Godspeed, and Godspeed in 5 different parts. The first part is to leap information from the future into the past, or in this case, schedule future messages from the future into the present time in order to leap what exists in the future to the present time. And who I want to do that with are everyone in the intelligent communities, people who are influencers, and people who are making decisions for large populations like politicians to leap information so that we are better organized and better at planning for the future that we wish to see. The second part and piece of the mission of Quantum Nina is pretty simple. It's to educate people about quantum biology and quantum DNA, which is something that I've discovered over the last year, and to educate people who are evolving in that way to not be afraid of who they are becoming and who they are changing into, to expect the unexpected, and to have all of the support that they need to get there. I will be developing a quantum sanctuary of sorts, which is the third mission of Quantum Nina is to create a quantum sanctuary where I have different pieces flowing, where I have a science division, I have a history museum division, where I have an on-site security. It's kind of like X-Men, which is what I want, the X-Men mansion. I pretty much want to have a base or a couple of bases around the world where quantum sanctuaries are there not only to educate people but also to support people who are displaced and have no family. Your home will be the sanctuary. The fourth part of Quantum Nina is going to be the drug that just basically pays for everything. Because my DNA is special, I will be developing a drug that reverses aging. I'm hoping the first batch will be the first batch of the formula. It will be about 30 years of reversed aging and sustaining and multiplying mitochondria. So because my DNA already does that, if I were to, put that on a pedestal and induce that in other people, and even make it better for myself and for other people, then that is the drug that I want to develop. And so far, so good. It is going to be ready in about 5 or less years. So I'm looking forward to that drug. And the last and final piece of the mission of Quantum Nina, and the one closest to my heart, is to help people who are in vulnerable populations, especially children. So I will be dedicating a lot of my time in philanthropy, where I help children out of poverty and out of vulnerable situations where they're being exploited or trafficked. I definitely want to help all of these children to have the support that they need and get the help that they need so that they can be who they are meant to be in the future. If you have any questions or you want to work with me, definitely contact me. All my contact information is on my page. You can use my contact form. You can contact me on social media. I check everything myself. Nobody does that stuff for me. So that is actually my background. So if you do contact me, I will be responding pretty promptly. If you have any questions, let me know. Godspeed.